Welcome back to episode 3 of our 5-minute Quickie Series. Now, in today's episode, the dumbbell reverse lunge. The dumbbell reverse lunge is a fantastic full body movement that not only works your lower body, but it will challenge your upper body as well, because you have to hold those dumbbells and make sure they don't swing around when you're going back and forth. And if you're having knee issues when you're doing a regular lunge, this reverse lunge takes a lot less stress on your knee joint and your hip. So you're going to be a very happy lifter for the duration of your workout. The dumbbell reverse lunge is not only good for beginners, but perfect for intermediate level and experienced lifters as well.
To perform this exercise, we are going to stand tall with our feet slightly shoulder width apart. With our core engaged, we will then push our chest out and take a large step backward, lowering our rear knee toward the ground while keeping our front shin as vertical as possible. From here, we will reverse the motion by pushing ourselves back to the starting position. To increase the intensity of the dumbbell reverse lunge, you can alternate which leg goes back between each rep. However, this does require a bit more stability, and it might be harder to engage the right muscles of the hip if performed too quickly. I recommend that you start with one leg and then move on to the alternating version when you feel more confident.
And that's right, you guessed it. 5 minutes, 8 rounds, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're going back to back to back to back. So if you haven't already, get a sip of water, because there's not going to be much of a rest. And before we get started, hit that like button, hit that juicy red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, because we got workouts and tips just like this, so you do not want to miss it. I'll see you in the workout. Let's go!
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty. How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. Oh yeah. My glass is empty. How about I get another drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes.
So glad you made it to the end of the workout. If you're looking for more workouts just like this, I'll post them in the description below. And before you go, comment below how that workout was so I kind of get a feel of how you guys are doing in between these 5-minute quick series. And I'll see you in the next workout. Peace! Did you hit that like button yet? You hit that juicy red subscribe button? That juice. Hit that juicy red subscribe.